Hey guys, I'm David.
And I'm Aaron.
And we are the Adventures of David and Aaron. Hey guys, welcome aboard the Carnival Inspiration here in the Port of Long Beach. So we are in the self-service laundry room. Unlike a lot of the newer Carnival ships, you have washer and dryers here. What is different about this, so that you will know if you come aboard the Carnival Inspiration, these machines only take cash, or quarters, actually quarters. So $3 to wash and dry. As you see, there are a total of 2, 3, and 4. So you have 4 dryers, 4 washers. We are on deck 7 forward of the ship. You have 1 sink with a spray bottle, water. You also have 2 ironing boards and irons. They are operated by a timer. When you close this door, for your convenience, if you need laundry detergent, here is your soap, bleach, and softeners. You have all, Snuggle, Surf. They are coincide lockout when column is empty, so you know. So it's $1.50, just like your typical laundromat, except this is an older ship, so you cannot use your sign and sale card, unfortunately. So I hope this helps you out, just in case in the event that you need to do some laundry on the Carnival Inspiration, you have it available to you. Thanks guys, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe to our channel, and as always guys, remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure.